here are the 5 Seedance tricks that will give you a total control over any AI video. I'm going to show you how to fix any scene while keeping the same video, make your generations cheaper, fix your lip sync, and much more. We are going to cover a total of 5 tricks today, so stick until the end because they get better as we move on. Let's start with the first trick, which is swapping the subject while keeping the shot. This is a pretty simple process. First, upload your original video. Once your video is uploaded, paste your prompt. I will say, replace the man in the video with the woman from the image. Next, upload the image of a woman you want to use. Take the subject in the prompt alongside the video and press generate. And here is the result of before and after. As you can see, the final video looks pretty good. It successfully changed the character to Yuna instead of the original guy. Now, let's move on to the second trick. And trick 2 is generating a lip sync that holds across clips. First, open a video editor like Premiere Pro. You can use any editor for this. Upload your music track and cut a segment out of the audio. You can cut less or more, but it should be a maximum of 15 seconds. For this example, I cut 14 seconds. Press I and O on your keyboard to set your in and out points. Then, export the specific cut as an MP4 file, not an MP3. Once that is done, upload your exported MP4, the one with the music, as reference. This will give you a very consistent lip sync. Go down your prompt and tag the music reference. Once that is tagged, press generate. Here is how the final result looks.
Something with wings took my hat from the road. Laid it down soft where the tall shadows go. He didn't turn, he didn't say a word. Let it fall in the dirt.
That is the exact workflow for creating consistent music videos. And now, let's move on to the third trick, which is continuing a shot for a few credits. If you upload a full 15-second video as a reference, it currently costs about 510 credits to continue. We can cut this cost down by a significant amount. Take your original video and open it in your editor. Cut the last 2 to 5 seconds of the clip and export it. Go back into Dramina and remove the full 15-second video reference. Upload your shortened 2-second clip instead. And now you can continue a video for only 289 credits. If you want Seedance 2.0 to be even more precise, you can export a slightly longer clip, like 4 to 5 seconds. Anything in the 2 to 5 second range works well and cuts your generation cost significantly. Now, let's move on to the fourth trick. Swapping the season or time of the day inside the existing video. You can take an existing video and completely change the environment. Upload your base clip into Dramina. Prompt the AI to change the time of day to sunrise in a winter season. Adjust your duration setting to match the uploaded clip, which is 11 seconds here, and then press generate. And now let's see the clip. As you can see, we successfully transformed the original scene into winter sunrise. This trick works remarkably well for shifting the mood of the shot. And now, moving on to the fifth and final trick, which is creating a reference sheet that lock every shot. All the references you saw earlier were generated using a single Claude skill called the Concept Sheet Builder. And I will leave a link to this skill in the description below. What we need to do is select the skill and upload any base image you want to generate, whether it's a character, an environment, or a prop. Could be even a vehicle. For this example, I will upload one character and one environment, take the skill and press generate. The skill will analyze the pictures and format them into a reference sheet grid. You can use these grids to generate consistent characters, environments, props and vehicles. Once these are generated, simply copy the prompt, go into ChatGPT and click create an image. Paste the prompt and upload your original reference image. For this example, I'm using the forest environment. Press send and here is the generated image. As you can see, it looks pretty good. You can follow this exact process for any character, environment, prop or vehicle. So that covers all 5 tricks. If you like the video, consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next one.